Anybody tell you say they look for security for this company?
No, at all. Nobody tell me anything. I just feel say they feel no get security.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
So me nko. What you come be?
Eresa.
It's true. See life.
Who they knock our gate like that? Who they knock? What thing happen? You won't break the gate.
I don't want.
Well done.
Please, I came here to submit my.
Hey, wait. Just come inside.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
So you they say something?
Thank you, sir, for this opportunity you have given me to talk. I came to submit my CV to this your precious office of yours for the position of a security.
Don't they play? They play.
Wait, oh.
Security, man. Stop here. Come here.
Sorry, oh.
Yes.
You think say I go outside, go check, maybe my company put something for outside where I don't know. Anybody tell you say they look for security for this company?
No, at all. Nobody tell me anything. I just feel say they feel no get security.
You be mumu. You think say they wise?
So me nko. What you come be?
Eresa.
It's true. See life. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I didn't even really check it where that you are a security person.
You what?
But you know really me too now. If you be say your service there, then we grab. And if you be say there's no person to replace you, and why they just they manage you?
Oh no, Baba.
It's true, oh. Whoa.
Yes.
It's true. Make you they check your company. Maybe they love you heartedly. You know. Maybe they feel dive on top of your matter.
Just help me submit this my CV. So and if the company can say, they don't need my service, no problem. I'll just go. I will accept. No problem. I'll just go.
You don't find any come. They don't employ you.
Man supporting man.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
No worry. Now I'm gonna call you. You can go now.
Thank you.
Be careful there, oh. Be careful there. And not true. The guy if you get point though, at least let me just know where I stand for my company. No problem. I go help her submit this CV and at least now I'm gonna call her. I go submit her. No problem.
Wait.
What happened?
I did not say under yours faithfully. You see life, you see now. Rush. And that can disqualify me. No, I have to sign this. Excuse me, sir.
You ended my day. That's what I meant. I really meant what I'm saying.
You did it. Yeah, you have to learn, yeah.